Now I'm going to talk about indenting and word wrap. The angle bracket commands indent and outdent the current line. Two pointy brackets to the right indent the current line, that is to say they move it to the right. Two pointy brackets to the left outdent the current line, that is to say they move it to the left. Both of these perform their indent or outdent by a single tab stop. The pointy bracket commands, like with delete, can use a number beforehand or any movement command. For example, you can say two pointy bracket to indent two lines, or you can say bracket brace to indent an entire paragraph. VI also includes an auto-indent capability. When auto-indent is turned on, whenever you are in a line that is indented, if you add a new line after it, either by hitting a return in insert mode or by using the O command to open a new line, the new line will be indented at the same level as the character above it. If you want to undo an indent while you're in insert mode, you can hit Control-D. To turn auto-indent off again, you can type :SE no AI. There's another .se or set command that's useful with indenting. The :SE WM equals command sets the wrap margin. The wrap margin in VI means that as you are typing, when you come within a certain number of characters of the right side of the window, it will automatically wrap to the next line. This wrap margin is often used together with auto-indent. If you want to turn wrap margin off, you set WM to 0. Now these AI and WM settings are only two of the many settings that VI includes. You'll have to take a look at the documentation for the rest of them. So let me demonstrate these. To understand indenting and auto-indenting, let's take a look at a C program. So this is a pretty basic C program. Suppose that we wanted to indent some of these lines. Suppose we wanted to indent these two lines, printf and print array. We'll use the right angle bracket, which is to say shift period, type it twice, and it indents the line. The left angle bracket, shift comma, type it twice, it outdents the line. If we type two right pointy bracket, it indents two lines. Two left pointy bracket, outdents two lines. What this does is it inserts or removes tabs from the beginning of the line. K. If we wanted to indent an entire paragraph, where a paragraph is delimited by blank lines, we could type right pointy bracket, right curly brace. That indents the next paragraph, which is to say up to the next completely blank line. And then left pointy bracket, right curly brace, outdents the next paragraph. Let's try turning on auto-indent to see the effect that it has. We'll do :SE space AI. That sets auto-indent to on. Now we're in auto-indent mode. If we open a new line, it automatically indents that line by the same amount as the line that we just were on. So we'll add some text, and then if we hit a return, it continues to auto-indent. If I hit the tab key to indent further, then that new tab stop becomes the new tab stop for auto-indent. So when I hit return, you see that it automatically indents to the same level. Escape. If I turn auto-indent back off with :SE space no AI, we're no longer in auto-indent mode. So for example, K, if I open a new line, it does not auto-indent to the same level as it was before. I hit tab, add some more text, and then when I hit return, you see it does not auto-indent. It goes back to the beginning of the line. So this is something that you may wish to turn on and off while you're editing. Escape, :Q, exclamation point. I'm going to show you now word wrap using a plain text file. We'll use our purloin letter example, JJJJJJ. So suppose that we want to wrap some text. I'm going to turn the wrap margin on to a value greater than 8 to show you how it works. :SE WM equals, let's say, 40. So this means that as soon as we start typing within 40 columns of the right-hand edge of the window, it'll automatically word wrap. So I'll O to open a new line and say, now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their party. So you see, as soon as we typed within 40 characters of the right-hand edge of the window, it automatically inserted a return. Escape. Now here, JJJ, you can see that there actually is a new line. There actually has been a return that's been inserted by that automatic wrap feature. If you want to turn automatic wrap back off, you type :SE, WM equals 0. That means no wrap margin. So, if we now typed, now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their party. In that case, I actually pressed the return key at the end. It did not auto-wrap, and it will not auto-wrap. I could keep typing and it would have a line of unlimited length. So this auto-wrap feature is generally used when typing English text rather than when typing code. And that too is something you may wish to turn on and off. There are many other parameters that you can set with the :SE command. And you can also put these commands in the .exrc file in your home directory, which is used by VI because VI is built on the codebase of the EX editor. Please see the documentation for more on these settings.